Imagine a world where aging is but a mere shadow that never touches the vibrancy of life. Picture a realm where the golden years are truly golden, filled with vitality and rejuvenation. That's the promise of anti-aging research. It's not about halting time, but rather about enhancing the quality of life as we navigate through time. The journey of anti-aging has been a fascinating expedition, an exploration that has led us to the discovery of Senolytics. These are not mere substances, but a revolution in a capsule. Senolytics are designed with a specific mission to target and eliminate senescent cells, the so-called zombie cells, paving the way for more youthful cells and promoting whole-body rejuvenation. At the forefront of this remarkable research is Qualia Senolytic, a supplement formula meticulously crafted to resist aging at the cellular level. It's not just about decreasing senescent cells, but also about supporting tissue rejuvenation, normal tissue repair, and revitalization. It's about optimizing aging. The breakthrough came in 2015 when researchers from Scripps and the Mayo Clinic discovered Senolytics. This marked the genesis of a new era, an era that Qualia Senolytic proudly represents. Years of intensive research into the biological mechanisms of aging have led to the creation of this potent supplement. Qualia Senolytic isn't just a product, it's a regimen. A potent 2-day, a month regimen that combines our legendary complexity science formulation approach with science-backed ingredients shown to help decrease senescent cells. It's about promoting whole-body cellular rejuvenation by supporting the efficient use of cellular resources, encouraging the regeneration of more youthful cells, and ultimately supporting tissue health and appearance. So why not give Qualia Senolytic a try? We're so confident in our supplements that we offer a no questions asked money-back guarantee. Try it today, risk-free. If you found this information insightful, do like, subscribe, and share this video. You could be the guiding light that leads someone to a healthier, more vibrant life. And don't forget to explore our other videos. Thank you.